expression formed by two verbs. The first verb is conjugated. Second verb is infinitive. Ear plus ah, ear plus ah. An expression formed by two verbs. The first verb is conjugated. Second verb is infinitive. Ear plus ah, ear plus ah.
Yeah, I could use a wish or a genie or a Tinkerbell to find my never-ever land to save me from this grammar spell. Can't go back to that same old past. Grammar was on our minds and our tongues were speaking madness. After all the preterites, past the pretenses, before all the hard grammar conjugation craziness. Let's where we'll practice all of the future tenses, all 6 derivatives of era plus infinitive. Boy, boss, ba, vamos, by spawn. Boy, boss, ba, vamos, by spawn. What you gonna do when the stuff shows up? So many saw the stuff and they just froze up. So airplane, airplane, don't leave that runway. I got my ticket and I swear it's a one way.
An expression formed by two verbs. The first verb is conjugated. Second verb is infinitive. Ear plus ah, ear plus ah. An expression formed by two verbs. The first verb is conjugated. Second verb is infinitive. Ear plus ah, ear plus ah.
Can somebody take me back in time? IR plus infinitive is future tense, so never mind. I'm going to the beach, conjugate IR, but not the second verb. So this is what it's like for the yo form. Voy a ir a la playa, that's how you conjugate. Vas a ir a la playa is the two-way. Va a ir a la playa is the LA ya usted way. Vamos a ir a la playa, same be in the IR plus infinitive. Vas a ir a la playa stands for y'all if you want to differentiate. Van a ir a la playa for the ellos, ellas ustedes way. Past tense has ceased. Future tense has reserved its seat. Angle with the turbulence and be back in one piece. You see that airplane that's parked on the runway before it takes off? Make sure you catch it one day.